mabuhay! Welcome, it's Alicat Castle! Your BFF, your Beshi, your brown skin back! Well, today's episode is Skincare Pamor! And what does Pamor means? Pamor means abundance. We actually say that. It's like a slang back in the Philippines where if you want something as an abundance, you add Pamor in every word. And today we will be talking about skin and the importance of it. And I myself, I'm 41 years old. Yes, I'm in my 40s. 40, 40, and apat na po! And today we will be talking about the essential skincare when you're in your 40s. And of course, if you're not in your 40s, please feel free to watch because hopefully you'll learn something. Okay? Skincare, come on! And today's skincare inspiration is from Erna Laszlo's quote: "Beautiful skin requires commitment, not a miracle." Ang powerful! And let's begin Skincare Pamor episode! Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Essential skincare for women in your 40s, or even men as well, of course. And just as a disclaimer, I am not a dermatologist. If you have further questions in regards to skincare or about taking care of your skin, please consult your dermatologist. That would be the best thing to do. I am, though, a makeup artist and I worked in retail cosmetics for more than 10 years, selling skincare, makeup, and fragrance. But today, we will be talking about skin. So the first thing about skin that we're gonna be talking about is the cleanser. But first, also, I'll be explaining things in English and I'll be doing Taglish, English Tagalog commentaries, just so that it's gonna be easier for everyone, just so I don't need to really translate it, okay? So the first one is the cleanser. According to Westlake Dermatology, a common benefit of facial cleansing is the removal of dirt, oil, and unwanted debris. Daily facial washing removes impurities and give the skin a fresh look. Exactly, and that's very, very important. First step is cleansing, or in Taglish, maglinis tayo ng mukha! Linis pamor! Siyempre, pag naglinis pa tayo pamor, pwede na tayong gumamit ng mga produkto after nating maglinis ng mukha! Okay, so now, the second after cleansing is using a toner. And according to womenshealthmag.com, face toners prep the skin for moisturizers and serum while getting rid of excess oil and stubborn dirt or makeup left over on your face after you wash it, says Dr. Kim. But they're not a replacement washing for your face. Exactly. So the toner basically helps to take out the excess oil and dirt that your facial cleanser was not able to take off and prepares your skin for your serum and moisturizer. Okay, now it's time in Taglish. So, yung toner natin, yun yung gagamitin natin pagkatapos natin maglinis ng mukha! Toner Pamor! Kasi ang toner, siya yung mag-exfoliate ng mga dead skin cells na hindi natanggal ng ating cleanser. So again, that's the toner. So the third one is using a serum. Okay, so according to independent.co.uk, serums have a lipid-soluble base which allows the active ingredients to penetrate into the epidermis instead of lying on the surface. And that's the good thing, especially we're talking about taking care of our skin, especially women in their 40s, because moisturizer sometimes is not enough, because moisturizer's purpose sometimes is so I moisturize first, but the anti-aging benefits is not as strong, and that's the reason why we need to use a serum to help activate the performance of your moisturizer, diba? Because serums are more concentrated. So now let me speak in Taglish or in Tagalog. So pagkatapos natin maglinis ng mukha at mag-toner, panahon na para mag-serum sa mukha! Kasi ang serum, yan yung magpupush ng performance ng moisturizer natin! Diba? Parang siya yung Robin ni Batman! So yes, that's what a serum does. It's like the Robin for your Batman, which is the moisturizer. So the fourth one is, we're gonna be talking about our moisturizer. So, for moisturizer, according to reviewthis.com, moisturizing is an important step to maintain your skin's healthy cells and protect it from irritation. Exactly. So, you know, like a moisturizer's purpose is really to hydrate and bring back the moisture that our skin lost after washing our face. So, in Taglish, syempre kailangan natin mag-moisturize, no? Para naman hindi ma-irritate ang skin natin! Moisturize power! Ah! So, again, very important to moisturize. So again, first we did the cleanser, and then we did the toner, and then we did the serum, and then the moisturizer. And then after that, we're gonna do the fifth one, which is the eye cream. According to WebMD, the skin around the eye is more fragile, more prone to dryness, and quicker to show ages and fatigue. Exactly, because the skin on our eye area is thinner, so of course it's more prone to you know, aging at the same time. That's the reason why sometimes, you know, when you laugh or squint, eventually that can cause to like aging and things like that, which is normal. So in Tagalog, di ba, yung ano natin, balat natin sa may mata natin, mas payatola sila, mas payat! So, kailangan natin mag-eye cream! So, of course, very important to use an eye cream. And you're just gonna tap that around the eye area. And yes, so use an eye cream that's really, really good for you. If you have dry skin, use something that's cream-based. If you have combination skin, you wanna use something that's like gel cream. And if you have oily, they usually recommend gel, but sometimes gel is like too thin, so use either gel cream or cream. So, after that, the sixth one is using a sunscreen. And according to health.harvard.edu, we recommend that everyone use sunscreen with sun protection factor of SPF 30 or higher when you spend time outdoors. SPF 30 will protect against approximately 90% of UVB rays. So, very important mag-sunscreen, because as we all know, if you don't wear sunscreen, the sun really can cause aging. And it's really important for us to wear sunscreen. And according to harvard.edu, we recommend applying sunscreen using teaspoon and shot glass rule. 1 teaspoon of sunscreen for face and neck, and enough to fit a shot glass, approximately 1 ounce, for the exposed areas of your body! Or in Tagalog, o diba, teaspoon lang mga bes! Para sa face and neck. And then of course, para sa katawan natin, 1 ounce daw! Sunscreen pa more! And then the seventh one, the last step, this is if you wear makeup, is for you to use a makeup remover. So, the makeup remover should be part of your daily skincare ritual because it is good for your skin. And the specific benefits of using a makeup remover are, it washes away cosmetics, impurities, and dirt from the surface of your skin, which could lead to irritation and your or cause your skin to age more rapidly. Exactly. So, just like think of it like this. Once you go out, right, and you get back home, you don't wear the same clothes as you wore outside and go home and go to bed. So same things with your makeup. Your makeup is like your clothing for your face. You know, you don't want to go to bed with your makeup. You definitely want to take that off just so that you can go to bed fresh. Of course, doing your skincare regimen, just so that hopefully you can rest your skin and prepare for the next day. So I hope you enjoyed that, the essential skincare in our 40s! Skincare Pamor! And there you have it, our Skincare Pamor episode! Oh my gosh, I hope you enjoyed that. Me explaining the 7 important things to taking care of your skin, especially if you're a woman in your 40s. So today, I just want to leave you a note that I love from Miss Estee Lauder. And she said, I never dreamed about success. I worked for it. So, all I want to say is whatever it is that you do in life, whether that be with the way you take care of yourself, the way you deal with yourself, with your friends, with your family, or the things that you do, very important to work for it. And if you work for it, I always say that for us to really put our whole commitment in it. Because once we're committed into something, then it becomes a habit. And once it becomes a habit, it becomes part of our daily lives. Again, commitment, and then it becomes a habit, and it becomes part of our daily lives. And again, this is Alicat Castle saying, let's all spread love, laughter, and today a little bit of skincare. Or in Tagalog, pagmamahal pa more? And also, katatawanan pa more! And Skincare Pamor. And today, I want to wish you blessings Pamor. Why blessings Pamor? Because if you have blessings Pamor, then you will have more things to share Pamor and give Pamor. And if you give and share Pamor, then there will be space Pamor in your heart that God can bless you Pamor. Okay? And if you're blessed Pamor, there's just so much to give to everyone! And again, if you enjoy this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would so appreciate it, just so that Lady Algorithm can hopefully recommend it to someone who might benefit from it. And also, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It would really definitely help our channel, and just so that we can be together all the time. And also, please share with your friends. I would so appreciate it. And again, this is Alley Cat Castle saying, I love you, mahal kita, magkita-kita po tayo ulit. I'll see you soon. Bye!
On another level of customer service, you know, treating the customer like she is my girlfriend.
And that's one thing that I like about you, you know, there's so much realness about you. There's so much heart, and you're so genuine that in everything that you do, there's really this it's like everything is like pretty much very transparent. And that's the reason why all of us, like all women, you know, in all ages, all lifestyle, all sexes, all genders, are so comfortable with you. So just like this is like an inspirational story about this woman that basically just purchased your products, and we can't wait to see her pictures as well. You basically like celebrating real women.
Oh yes, absolutely. I really like to concentrate on only real women, because guess what? You know, it's so funny because you get a lot of people, a lot of individuals